Hey everyone, Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. We're back with another update from our Ham Shack renovation. Day number 6, I think, of update. Anyway, here's our intro and then we'll get into the tour. All right, everyone, Stuart here, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, back with another update from our renovation. We got our mini split in today. You can see that, it's running right now. For those that don't know what a mini split is, it's basically like a air conditioner heater, runs off electricity. Big thing here in New Brunswick. We got our Humidex system down there, and that is made by a company close to here in outside the other side of Shadiac, called Clairboard, I think it is. Just outside of the other side of Shadiac from where we are. Chris put the the border up to kind of break up the gray on the walls. And Missy got me that trunk last week from an auction place outside of Oromocto. So it's really starting to come together. Here is our garage door. If we open it up, we have a screen now, so we can actually leave this open on days where we want to get some fresh air coming through here, and keeps all the bugs out. So yeah, it's but ideally we want to leave this closed and let the mini split and the Humidex run at maximum efficiency. But we can shut it down and open it up here. So yeah, the shack is coming together here. We got a couple more projects to do. The baseboard still got to go in, and that window there is getting replaced. We're probably in about 3 weeks' time, the window should arrive. But yeah, it's starting to look good. Hats off to Chris at CTK RENOS again from Shadiac, New Brunswick, for all the awesome work he did. And yeah, that's where we're at. It's starting to come together, folks. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, 7 3s, and well, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You can do that right here, down below. See you later.